Hello, I'm going to tell you something about our school. Our school is in Ciampitello. There are 200 students.
In our class there are 15 students. We study two languages, English and French.
We also study math, science, history, and other. Our favorite subject is English, and we go to school at 8 a.m.
Our school is very big. There are 10 classrooms. In our school we are study also music and we have 8 teacher of musical instrument. I play violin, I play
Violin.
Right.
Violin? Mm-hmm.
And I'm in this school orchestra. There are 60 students, and we do many concerts. We are in third class, and in June we are going to do an exam. In September we will go to the high school. She will go to language school in Andrade, and I will go to the language school in Giardini. We hope you like our speech, and goodbye.
Thank you, girls.